Hi, so it's Isa, and today we are going to be doing the worksheet called 2, 2, and 2. And so what we're going to be talking about today are three types of twos and when we should be using each of them. So we can just go straight into it. So 2, meaning TO, is a function word. So you're going to use it when you're doing things like I'm going to go do something, or I need to give this to someone. It's when you're kind of associating with something that you're going to do. Now, the next word is TOO. With this to means also or a lot. And so this is a term that you use whenever you're kind of making a sentence as an add-on or kind of describing how something is a lot. And the last one, the other type of two, is TWO, which is two as in a number. So when you count your numbers, we have 1 and 2. So we have 2 items or 2 things. And so what we're going to do is that we're going to go through each of these sentences and we can talk about which 2 goes into each sentence and yeah, we can just go through it and we can see what you guys think. So the first one is I'm going to read a book. Which type of 2 do you think is going to be this sentence, is going to go into this sentence? And the one that it's going to be is TO. And so like we were talking about TO as a function word, meaning that you're going to do something or you associate it with something that you're going to do or something that you're going to give to someone. So I'm going to read a book. You're going to do something. And so that one is TO. Now the next one, number 2, is Donald ran 2 miles. Now, when we're looking at this sentence, we're looking at the word miles, and where Donald ran something miles. And so when we're looking at this, we're going to be seeing it as a number, TWO. And now this is 2 as in TWO because when we're talking about the miles, it's that Donald ran a certain number of miles, and that's why it's TWO. Now the third sentence is Anne coming to? This one is going to be TOO, and that's because is Anne coming too? It's kind of asking, is Anne coming as well? Is Anne coming also? It's our addition of saying Anne is coming along with us. So that's why it's is Anne coming too? So TOO. Now, when we're looking at number 4 is she got 2 wrong on the test. This sentence is going to be a number, so we're going to do TWO. And the reason this works is because when we're looking at it, we're saying that she got blank wrong on the test. Now, this is a number because we're looking at wrong. How many did she get wrong? She got 2 wrong, and so that's the number that we're looking at. Number 5 now, we just finished 4. Number 5 is my brother likes to play baseball. This sentence is like number 1. I'm going to read a book. My brother likes to play baseball. So we're going to do TO. It's a function word because we're talking about what my brother likes to do. So the verb that we're looking at is play. So it's to play. So it's TO. Now for number 6, I was at the park 2 times today. This sentence is going to be TWO. It's going to be our number again. And the reason why is because we're doing times. How many times were you at the park today? I was at the park 2 times today. And that's the amount of times that you were there. It's a number. Number 7 is those clothes are too expensive. Now, if we're looking at this TO, it's going to be TOO. These clothes are too expensive. And the reason is that this too, the TOO, isn't going to be also, but it's going to be like a lot. These clothes are very expensive. These clothes are like pretty expensive. And so that's why we're doing TOO, is because it's a lot. It's not going to be a function. It's not going to be a number. It's going with the TOO. Number 8 is Cindy got 2 strikes in bowling. Now this sentence, when we're looking at TOO, T-O, or T-W-O, it's going to be T-W-O because it's 2 strikes in bowling. How many strikes did Cindy get? She got 2 strikes. And so we're talking about the amount here again. It's 2 strikes in bowling. So that's why it's a number. Now, number 9 is a little tricky because we have 2 types of 2 that we're going to be adding in. I need to write 2 pages for school. Now the first one, I need to write. This is going to be our TO. This is our function word because you need to do something. You need to write. We're talking about the verb write, which is you doing something. I need to write, so that's TO. Now I need to write 2 pages for school. This is going to be TWO, which is our number because we're looking at the amount of pages that we're writing for a school. So it's TWO, it's our number of pages. So we're doing 2 pages. Lastly, again, we have 2 twos that we have to put in there. And so it's I need you to help me. It's too heavy. So the first one, I need you to help me. So T-O, because it's help, we're going to help someone. It's our function word. It's we are doing something, right? We need to help. So I need you to help me. It's too heavy. And so this the last two is going to be T-O-O because we're looking at it in terms of also or a lot. It's too heavy. It's very heavy. Or it's too heavy for you, and that's why it's going to be T-O-O. Now, I know I might have gone through this a little quickly, but feel free to watch this video again, go through it, and try and talk with yourselves and see if you need help. But that's it for now, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!